What is going on with you, YouTube? This is Dave from Tech Refresh coming at you with another video. Today we are reviewing the Spigen Liquid Air for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Now, let me start off by saying this case is so good that it gets bad. You'll see what I mean down the road, but let's take a look. I got it on Amazon. Amazon calls it the Spigen Liquid Air Armor. They be just adding words for SEO purposes because it's really just the liquid air. This case is a cheapie. Matte black, $14.99. So it's not going to break the bank. If you're interested, link is in the description. Go ahead and click that link if you're interested. All right, let's go ahead, snap it in, do the tour. All right, the bottom, everything checks out. Perfect. Everything lines up perfect. Perfect cutouts. No complaint there. Along the sides, that's when the case starts to excel. This case has one of the best feels that I've used for a case, especially for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. It's just the matte combined with this little texture for grip is a perfect combination. I have no issues. You have a little cutout for your little wrist strap, but I have no issues. Really, if you were going to ask me like what I want a case to feel like, I would point to this one. All right, button, clicky, no issues. Top of the phone, smooth. It's a different texture. It's smooth. Sides, perfection. Volume rockers, perfect. Action button is covered. More grip. And even for whatever reason, the Spigen branding looks good. All right, let's take a look at the protection. Comes above the screen at this juncture. It's a moot point. When you're talking about protection in these Spigen cases, they're always going to come above the screen. Bring it along the back, the protection along the camera. Perfect. You're not going to have any issue setting your phone down. Now, let's take a look at the back of the phone because that's when things start to change a bit. Now, I said the case is so good, it gets bad. I've wanted to use this case so much that the wear and tear on this case escalates pretty quickly, and that's really due to the pattern, the texture. It just has grooves deep enough for things to get in. Now, I've tried to clean this case. I didn't want to just do a phone review with a dirty case, but a lot of the stuff I just cannot get out. I have cleaner. This is glass cleaner. It cleans everything. If I need the screen clean, I need a case clean, it's cleaning it. Not this one. Whatever's in there, it just chalk it up. It's going to be in there. And it just has to do with this pattern and the grooves being deep enough for things to get stuck in there. They should have figured out a way to get this. Oh, that's a drop protection alert. This case is still looking good, but they should have figured out a way. This pattern along the sides, they should have figured out how to get it on the back. So it's like deeper so you could just wipe stuff out. This is just, everything's just too close. It's deep enough and too close, and it just gets things stuck in there. So good. I want to use it every day because of the grip. It does not have MagSafe. This case, let me double check. This is not one of the ones. It is not. No MagSafe. I'm still on the hunt for the perfect case that has MagSafe and a perfect feel like this. Haven't found it yet, but we got more cases on the way. Now, if you don't mind your case looking a little raggedy at times, the escalation on the wear and tear is very fast. I would suggest this case just because of the feel. It's a classic. Can't go wrong with the liquid air. Any questions about the case, get active in the comments. I'll get at you guys another time. Peace.